Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nami Abdi Alvina Maivana Dewi di kelas 10 bahasa tugas bahasa Sunda. Abdi bade nyanyikeun lagu Peuyeum Bandung di Sunda ka Inggris. Everywhere in the village, in the city, it's famous for its delicious taste. The origin of cassava is not varied. What's the name? Look so tempted. Famous Bandung Tape. The price is not expensive. Same all affordable. The old and the young. Please try, maybe curious. What's the name? Do so tempted. Famous Bandung Tape. The price is not expensive. Same all